Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 3 of the most useful apps, in my opinion, you should get on your VIVO Y01. So the first one will be Caffeine, and what it does, it changes your screen timeout to all of the available options right here. And one of the most important is infinite. So if we go to our settings and find display and brightness, then go to screen timeout. The maximum timeout is 30 minutes, and in using your Caffeine app you can change it to infinite. So that's pretty handy to have when you want your screen to never lock. Another app is ReadEra, and what it does, it's actually reader for any books or instructions or anything you want to read on your phone, and it's actually really easy to use and really simple. So I have this manual for the TV, and you can add it to your favorites, you can add it to the timeline to read, you can select that you've completed reading it, and you can create your own collection of books. So if you have 5 of the books, you can make a collection and it works kind of like playlist. And you can access all of the folders on your phone, like downloads. You can create your own folders, and reading now, here is the books that you've currently started reading. So that's a really nice app if you read a lot of things. The next app is Duolingo, and what it does, it actually helps you learn some languages. So you can start learning language in this app, and for example, we're gonna learn Swedish right now, and you will spend about 5 minutes each day learning this language, and it will get you through entire course, and you will know a few of the words when you'll be done with this course. So that was 3 of the apps you should get on your VIVO Y01. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.